So Arsenal 2, Sevilla D team 0, one shot all game against us, and that came in literally pretty much the last kick of the game. It was a comfortable night's work. Weren't the greatest performance. Some good performers on the pitch, some not so good performer, or one not good performer on the pitch. But we are top of the group with 4 points clear. We need a point to qualify, which, let's be real, we should be qualifying with the best team in that group. Make sure you are liking the channel, subscribing to the channel. And if you don't like the ratings, cry. We're back against Burnley at the weekend. Make sure you sub to Jez's channel. If I can squeeze it in the title, I will. If not, it's in description. Arsenal, history, and more. Jez, for anyone who ain't watched your fan cam, and make sure you check them out as well. Give us your little breakdown of how that went tonight.
Well, we got it over the line. It wasn't the greatest of performances, but we got it over the line. And sometimes you have to grind them out, and we ground it out. So I'll take it. It's the points we needed. We're 1 point away from qualification, so I'll take it on the chin. There were some decent performances there tonight, and there was a couple of, well, there was one bloody awful performance again. But yeah, it is a result. I expected a win. I actually forecast 2-1, but I was close. But done the job, Lee, and let's move on now. The weekend we've got coming up, and let's move on to Burnley.
Facts. You know how this works. Cry if you don't like the ratings, or better still, just leave your ratings down below. David Raya, I bet he was freezing. Literally had nothing to do until the 97th minute, and that was their only shot.
Yeah, I mean, he must have had a really boring night tonight, that fella. When he did touch the ball, he did what he had to do with it. He distributed it well. Looked quite commanding, but yeah, no challenge on that bloke. So I'll give him a 6.
Let's go to Benjamin White.
Yeah, decent performance again. Wasn't really challenged whatsoever, and again, he must have got a little bit bored, but his concentration was still there, and I'll give him a 6.
Tomiyasu subbed at half time. I'm not sure if he was injured because I thought he played all right, but maybe we're saving him for the all-out attack from Burnley at the weekend.
Yeah, could be.
They've scored a total of 8 goals all season.
Yeah, the Burnley threat. Yeah, wow. Tomiyasu, I thought he was decent, overlapping quite nicely with Martinelli, and fair play to the man. He did a job. I hope he's not injured. I really do. I'll give him a 6.
William Saliba made a great last-ditch tackle. Thought he got absolutely skinned, but the recovery pace was elite, and he had to make that tackle spot on, or he was getting sent off. Other than that, easy night's work, wasn't it?
Yeah, again, it didn't really get challenged. I agree with your statement you just made. Solid performance, but again, wasn't really challenged at all. So I'll give him a 6.
Gabriel Magalhaes.
Yeah, Gabriel Magalhaes. Again, put in his performance. Didn't really do anything wrong, did he? Did his job. But let's be honest, our whole back four didn't really have to do a lot. It's a very poor Sevilla team. Very poor. So he'll get a 6 as well.
Declan Rice. He got booked. But again, he looked the best player on the pitch at times.
Declan Rice absolutely fell into his position. Didn't really do anything wrong. Was quite commanding. Noticeably didn't like passing to Havertz. I wonder why. Preferred to pass it to Trossard or back to Tomiyasu or across the park to Jorginho. So Declan Rice, I'll give you a 7, mate. I thought you were decent.
Jorginho, what a pass.
Oh, yeah.
What a pass. That is an assist for me. Saka will get the assist, but that pass, wait a pass, quickly through the lines, job done.
Yeah, great game from actually Jorginho. Probably the best game I'm going to say I've actually seen him play recently. Class. Absolutely decent performance. Hope he continues to do that. 7.
Number 29.
Number 29. Dear, oh dear, oh dear. I feel stupid because I was an advocate at the start of the season. There's a player in there. No, sorry, got that one wrong. That guy is shockingly poor. He had 3 opportunities today, and he fluffed every one of them. Shocking, shocking, shocking. He's either Lee. I'll tell him my fan cam. He's either got so much low in his confidence, or he's just crap. Personally, I think he's just crap and poor, 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 poor. 3.
I think that's generous as well. I thought he was 0. But anyway, we have an agenda. Let's go to Martinelli.
Yeah, I thought Martinelli was absolutely on fire today. He was absolutely stripping down that the right side of Sevilla's defence. Terrible, terrible, and he just was turning them inside out. It was a joy to watch, mate. And Martinelli, you get an A, and you get my man of the match.
Let's go to the opposite side. Bukayo Saka limped off in the end. Don't worry, we'll get the horse tranquilizer out at the weekend. Yeah, we'll get him some jollof rice, some yam. Yeah, and he'll be wheeled out again in a wheelchair against Burnley. But he scored a cracking goal. Yeah. Unbelievable goal. Simple pass. I'm not going to credit him for the pass. He should be making that pass. My daughter could make that pass. You could make that. I could make that. But the goal, the way he chopped that back inside and finished it, unreal, mate.
Yeah, absolutely class. He looked really on fire tonight. I thought, wow, he's back to his old self. He looked really good. Nice goal. What the only criticism I'd have of no, I'm not criticising Saka. He gets an A. I just think Martinelli was just a little bit levels above, so that's why he's got my man of the match. But why didn't Arteta take him off at 2-0? He didn't need to
score. He should have been subbed.
Just take him off. If he is still a little bit fragile, which obviously it looks like he was, because he was limping off, not looking good at all. I don't get it. That's what frustrates me with him, man. The manager I'm talking about, because didn't need to keep him on the pitch. Could have 2-0, take him off, not a problem. Bring on somebody else, put him in that position, and shut the game down. End of story. Easy. I can see it. You can see it. Why can't Arteta see it?
And he always subs Martinelli before Saka. Weird.
Yeah.
Very weird. Let's go to Trossard. Scored a goal.
Yeah.
I don't think he was amazing tonight, but at the same time, he scored the goal that opened the game, and he was playing as a centre forward. And the run off the ball, top class. Couldn't miss, really, could he?
No, I mean, I thought Trossard was class tonight. I was surprised he started, but proved me the fact that he started and scored that goal. I always thought he's more of an impact player coming off the bench, but yeah, he started. He did his job tonight. I thought he was decent, and I'll give him a 7.
Let's go to the subs. 35. He came on at half time. I thought he played well. He was involved in the second goal with a quick throw in. Nearly scored a rocket as well. Defended well, which is something you don't do. What did you make of 35?
I thought he was all right actually tonight. Maybe that's his best time to come on. I personally would have. Well, we don't know what happened with Tomiyasu, but I would rather him come on in replacement of Havertz. But I think that would have shored our midfield up even better. But yeah, decent. I thought he played very well when he came on. I'll give him a 7.
Let's go to where else came on? Fabio Vieira.
Oh, Vieira. Yeah, ran around, didn't do a lot. Didn't have a lot of greater time, really, to be fair to him, man. Didn't do anything really wrong. Tried. I'll give him a 4. He wasn't on long.
Reese.
Yeah. Oh dear. I used to really like Reece Nelson, but he's losing it with me now. Didn't impact the game whatsoever, in my opinion. For
Mohamed El Neni.
didn't really see him, to be honest. Was there for not really great at all.
Last but by no means least, Kivior.
Kivior came on again, didn't really have any impact at all. Not expecting him to be fair, because really, in the position he came on, what was he going to do? What was he going to achieve for?
You know how this works, people. If you want to cry about the ratings, cry. Nobody cares. We're back again on Saturday against Burnley. Great kickoff time for me, 4 p.m. my time, which means I'm done by 10. It is currently 1:30 in Spain, a.m. morning. Now we know how these foreign fans feel, Jez, when they're getting up at this time to watch games.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So big up to them. Big up to everyone who's tuned in. Smash the like, sub to Jez. Arsenal history and more. If I can squeeze it in the title, it'll be there. So you just press it straight there, job done. Smash the likes up. Sub to Lee Reacts. I'm literally about 50 away from 21k. And we're going to do a 3-2-1 on the manager. 3, 2, 1.
7.
8.
Okay, I'm going 7. I'll tell you why I'm going 7. Because he should have taken Saka off when we were 2-0 and rested him for the weekend. Now we've got potentially an injury issue. So he got it right tonight, but that sort of thing annoys me. He didn't need to stay in the partly.
Yeah. It does wind me up a little bit that he takes off Martinelli first. Like, why are you keeping Saka on? And then when Saka drops down holding his ankle, yeah, you keep him on for another 4 or 5 minutes. It's like, just get him off, mate. As soon as he scored that goal, sub him.
Well, he went down. The trainer comes on, the physio, comes on, does something, and then within a couple of minutes, he's on his arse again. So
yeah, get him off.
Hook him off.
Get him off. But they'll juice him up at the weekend. Yeah, and he'll be back out there. He'll play another 90 minutes. It is what it is, isn't it? Hopefully, he's going to be all right. International break coming up as well. Pull out of that. We've already qualified, so who cares? Nobody cares about international football.
When's that?
After this weekend.
Not again.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah, I think it's after this weekend, mate. Let me have a look.
No,
I'm pretty sure it's after this weekend.
Bloody international breaks. Fuck off.
Yeah, Burnley, and then we've got a 2-week break until Brentford, and then we've got Brentford, and then we've got Lons, and then we're in December.
2-week break.
Yep.
Dear God, honestly.
I know, crap, innit?
Why?
Absolute crap, and we're playing Malta, and we're playing North Macedonia. Like, come on, like real talk. What's the point?
Exactly.
What is the point? All right, big up Malta though. So, all right, I've never been North Macedonia, but I've been Malta. They like the English as well. Yeah, big up to them. Yeah, beautiful place. Valletta. But anyway, we are going to wrap this up. Jez, what you got coming up, mate?
Tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, part 1 of my stories, Arsenal home and away. Did a stream last night all about the history of the firms, which was very well received. And people then saying, Jez, do more. So I'm just going to relate a few stories of my times home and away, which are quite funny, actually. So, doing that.
Perfect. Make sure you check out Jez's channel, Arsenal History and More. Go and check out the stream he did about the firm and all of that lot. And make sure you check out all the fan camps as well. I'll be back again 1 p.m. UK time. I haven't checked in with Saeed. I need to make sure he's all right. Northside, flawless as well. Man United fans are in meltdown. So make sure you tune in at 1 p.m. on here. Yeah, we're going to see Saeed probably in a balaclava and some shades hiding. It's going to be great. We're out of here, people. Adios, amigos. Ciao.
Yeah.
Laters.